Here we have a 71 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 Limited EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the 16-inch silver alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We do have the moon dust silver exterior paintwork. If you just take a look in the back, you'll find we have plenty of space back here. We've got the wooden panelling as well. Apologies about the sunlight. Coming around to the front of the vehicle, you'll find the daytime running lights. If any of these lights or screens are flickering in this video, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. We do have the front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a visual display inside. We also have the colour-coded door handles. Black trim around the windows. Let's take a look at the front now. You can see we have the cloth seats. Both these outer seats are heated. We do have the free seats in here though. Foldable armrest here and also here. We then have the electric mirrors and electric windows. Let's take a seat inside. You'll also find the automatic lights down there. Dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake and turn the vehicle on. You'll find the cruise control and speedometer here on the left along with the volume buttons. The vehicle is an automatic as well. As you can see on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights. We've got the digital speedometer just there in front of us. We then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the radio station. You'll find we have the other audio options just here. We have the phone connectivity and mobile apps. Go into the settings and you'll find we have these other options which you can flick through. You'll find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving further down, we have the climate control just here, which has the heated seat buttons either side and also the ice-cold air conditioning as well. As you can see, all working as they should do. We do have a 12-volt connectivity and a USB port just here. We also have another one just up here as well. Putting the car into reverse, you'll find the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park just like so. And that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website or get in contact. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.